Back to our YouTube channel. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new gaming earning project. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. If you are new on my channel, so first of all, subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So now we can go to the website and I will share with you the detail of this website. Crypto Champion is the name of this website. As you can see, it was open on screen, and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and join this project. It's a very interesting project and a future based project. You will simply participate in it and get more profit. You will also having a gaming opportunity. You play and earn from this project. The game will officially launch for play on 15th September at 12 UTC, and early joiner will have the opportunity to claim a free limited additional NFT. And I will tell you all detail about the NFTs in this video. So watch this video till last. I hope you will get benefit from this project, and it's a very informative video for you. So first of all, I will review the website, and then I tell you the detail about the gameplay and also show the NFTs marketplace. So as you can see, the play option was available. It's a very simple method to join and place. First of all, connect your wallet. Simply click on play button and connect your wallet with MetaMask. As you can see, my MetaMask was open, and simply you can connect your wallet with MetaMask, and then you can simply join this project. It's a very simple and easy method to join this project. As you can see, the wallet was open. You can simply join and participate in this project. You can see, and the detail of NFTs was also available on screen. Poll of BNB, Team Million was 9 and Team Zombie was 5. And also social media of this account, this website was available. Must join them for latest updates and announcement. You will get many information from these social media platforms, so must join them. And also having a option of white paper, it's help you more to get more information about this project. Now I will show you the collection of this NFTs. You can see Team Alien collection was available. Free NFTs was also available. You can see the free NFT was on screen. Common, and then it's grow up to uncommon, epic, rare, legendary. All NFTs was on screen. Mythics NFTs was also available. You can easily buy. If you buy before launching gameplay, you will get more benefit and get free NFTs. So must join it, and simply you can play and earn from this project. So these are the main NFT. As you can see, it was showing on screen, and we can scroll down more. You can see the Team Zombie was also available. It's also having a free NFT. You can see, and the more NFTs like uncommon, common, legendary, epic, and mythical was also available. You will easily purchase and get benefit from these NFTs. You can see all NFTs was available, and it's help to play in game, and these NFTs was very awesome. You can see it's all detail and information was available in description of this video. Simply go and join them. And you can see the most important part of this project. You can see the roadmap of this project. You can see September milestone 1 was available. It was launching a game, raffle system, free NFTs. It's the first step, and the second step you will see milestone 2, boss, spinning wheel, and special attack. In October you will see battles, ranking, and weekly prize. It's a very long-term project and give you many benefits in future. So must read the detail and participate in this project. Now I will share you the testnet of this gameplay and NFT. You can see the detail of this NFT. Simply connect your wallet, and which one you want to buy, simply click on claim here button. Claim your free NFT. 298 was left. Simply claim and join the Telegram. Claim your NFT. It's a very simple and easy method. You can simply claim, and free NFTs was also available. Boss was available. You can see boss said chili grave was available. 50% card items and many more discounts, and the opportunity was available. Simply select the category. You can see common, uncommon, rare. I will simply click on uncommon. You will see the detail. It's all about you, which one you want to buy. And now I will tell you about battle PvP. You can see ranking program, and the detail of this battle was also showing on screen. Team points and many more detail you can see. And simply if you can go to the shop, you will see all free NFTs, and Jeans pack was also available. You can see with the percentage it was showing on screen. Simply buy it, and you will see buy one 0.02 BNB, and the prices of these NFTs was and pack was available. Simply you can purchase and participate in this platform. Simply you can see plasma packs was also available with the prices 5 plasma pack was in 0.005 BNB, 10 buy was 0.009 BNB. The price was reasonable. You can simply buy and get benefit. You can simply buy with Z coin. Also option was available if you having a Z coin. So simply you can switch to Z coin and buy from Z coin. So it's a main part of this project. As you can see, in future you can see a lucky wheel. Simply spin and win from this project. Account detail was also available, and the collection was available. You can see, and every detail was on screen. Now I will share with you white paper of this project. You can get every information about this project from this white paper. Now I will tell you about boss NFT box NFT detail was also in this white paper. You see the current prices and how much you can earn. You will see free NFTs detail was also available. Must read the detail to get know about how it's work and how you get profit from this project. Before launching the game, must join it and get free NFT. Now I will tell you about the token of this project. The name of this token was Zcoin, and the detail was also available. Simply you can see minimum withdrawal was 2 Zcoin, and withdrawal fees was 5%, and every information about this coin was available on screen. You will simply join and earn Z coin, and simply you can get withdrawal from a website. So I will tell you about plasma. Plasma is a currency used in the game. You can see it's also a currency like a Z coin, and you will also earn it and get in your wallet. So it's the main part of white paper. I will also tell you about this information and white roadmap details, and raffle program was also available. You will simply invite your friend and get raffled. So these are the main information about this project. So must join it before launching the game and get free NFTs and many more bonuses you will get. And hopefully you will enjoy this video, and must subscribe my channel, and also join the social media account of this project, Twitter and Telegram community, for latest updates and news. Hope we will be meeting next video.